Sales CRM in Excel is a great choice for small businesses, freelancers, and independent professionals. There's no recurring cost, and you can easily customize the sales CRM. So, in this video, I'll share 5 useful tips for using a sales CRM in Excel. The number one tip is organize your data effectively. So use clear and concise columns to input relevant information and use filters to easily navigate and analyze your data. So as you could see here in the example, we have data organized in different columns, right from collecting the contact information of your sales lead. So you have the lead date, you have the company name, country, state, city, lead owner is your team person's name, then you have the contact information, and then you have other relevant information like the lead source, from where did you get the lead, the status of the lead, if it is hot, warm, or closed. So this is for open leads. Then you have the lead stage, the deal value. So all the columns that you think are necessary for you to capture the details that you would need to manage that deal properly and also to get clear insights. And also you can use color coding to visually highlight important information. For example, here, all the won leads are green, all the lost leads are in red color. So just one look gives you the information about the status of the lead. Second tip is utilize formulas and functions. So you could use Excel formulas and functions to create calculated fields in the CRM, and these help you with getting insights and creating reports. For example, here you could see there is a column to calculate the age of the leads. So here, if you see the formula here, if the lead is not closed yet, it calculates the age in terms of how many days has it been open as of today's date. And if the lead has been closed, either as lost or won, it calculates the close date minus the lead date. So accordingly, you could create other formulas, other calculated fields. For example, here in this template, we have formulas to calculate the week number of the year, the month of the year for closing the lead. These help us create reports in the dashboard. And that's the third tip: create customized reports and dashboards. So use Excel's powerful data analysis and visualization tools to generate reports and analyze sales data. So if you here look at the sample Excel CRM, we have dashboards for overall sales, we have a target achievement dashboard, we have a team performance summary, and we have a marketing dashboard. This all is based on the data entered in the lead tracker. And that's where Excel is so powerful. So here you have a dashboard, you get a monthly summary, you get the month-on-month trend for the number of leads generated. You could see June was the best in terms of generating leads and also in terms of closing. So you could see the month-on-month conversion, the month-on-month revenue achieved. You get an overall summary. So far, for this example, sample CRM, 61 leads were generated from January up till July, 25 leads won, 28 leads lost, conversion percentage 41%. It takes 51 days on an average to win deals. You have the total revenue, you have the average deal value, then you have the lead stage report, where are your open leads, you have the hot, warm, close pie chart. You have the lead source report, what lead sources work best for you. You have a target achievement dashboard. You have a team performance. So you could come and monitor the performance of each of the sales reps. So who is performing better, who needs help, who needs more support and feedback. You have a marketing dashboard. So there is no end to it. You could create as many reports and dashboards as you would like, and you could get key insights to help you take data-driven business decisions. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is use conditional formatting to highlight important information. So conditional formatting is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to automatically format cells based on specific criteria. Now, this can be incredibly useful when working with sales data in CRM. So here you could see there is a conditional formatting for month-on-month conversion. So you could just have a look and you could know which months had a better performance. You could create conditional formatting for, say, conversion percentage. If you have a target, then you could format it as green and red. Here you could see we have used conditional formatting in a lot of places to know which is performing better, which one is not as per the target. So we have used conditional formatting, as you could see here, in all the places that we want to use. So it gives you a visual notification of how the performance is trending. So just one look at the color and you could know, okay, when the performance was good and when the performance was lagging. So Excel gives you all these easy tools to create reports and get visual notifications for easy monitoring. Let's move on to number 5. The fifth tip is take advantage of data validation to ensure accuracy. This is very important. If you look at this sample report, we've created lists for entering data in the lead tracker. So what happens is this eliminates the chances of manual errors while typing in repetitive information in the lead tracker. Data validation is a feature in Excel that allows you to set rules and restrictions on the data entered into a cell. This is extremely helpful when using Sales CRM in Excel, as it ensures that the data you are working with is accurate and reliable. For example, since we have used data validation rules here, anybody working with the lead tracker, when they have to enter a lead source, they can only pick from the validated fields. So there'll be no spelling mistakes and there'll be no different formats, and hence your analysis in the dashboard becomes easier. So these are 5 tips that you should follow. Whether you're using any template for Excel CRM, you could create reports, you can create dashboards, you could use color coding, you could use validation, you could use filter lists to monitor performance. So you can get all the insights that you get in a paid sales CRM software. So Excel is a great option for you to start using as a sales CRM if you're a small business, if you're a freelancer, if you're an independent professional, because there is no recurring expense. And Excel offers you easy customization to suit your specific requirements. So in case if you don't have a template, you could easily go ahead and create one. I have an Excel tutorial on how to create a DIY sales CRM. I will leave the link for the video in the description. In case if you would like to use a pre-designed Excel sales CRM, I will leave the download link in the video description. This sales CRM, LMS Pro, is already being used by more than 2,000 small businesses and freelancers. And if you have any questions on making the best use of your sales CRM, whether it is Excel, whether it is Google Sheets, or if it is any other sales CRM software, do write in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And also do share your feedback. And if you like the video, if you want more videos on sales and business management, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and be safe.